Hello friends, so in this video we are going to start new topic, and that is geometry portion of GRE Quant syllabus, right? So before starting this video, let me introduce myself. I am Poojan Davda. I am ex-IISc and M.Tech Mechanical, and in GATE exam I have secured All India rank 66. We have completed two topics, that is algebra and arithmetic portion. This is the third topic, that is geometry, right? So in this video we are going to focus on multiple choice single selection type of questions. And before starting solving questions, let me tell you subtopics from which questions will be there from geometry topic. So as you can see on the screen, geometry topics include parallel and perpendicular lines, circles, triangles, quadrilaterals, other polygons, three-dimensional figures, area, perimeter, volume, the Pythagoras theorem, and angle measurement in degrees. Right? These all the topics are of high school mathematics. The topics are very easy, and within seconds we'll be getting answers. Right? So let us start the first question, and here is your first question on your screen. We are given with one right angle triangle ABC, and we have to find the area of this triangle. Options are given to us. There are 5 available options: 18, 20, 12 root 3, 36, and 18 root 3. We know length of side AB, that is 6 unit, and angle C is of 30 degrees. And we are given that this triangle is right angle triangle, right? So if you want to find area of the triangle, what is area of right angle triangle? So can we write this? Of triangle ABC will be equal to 1/2 into height into base. So height will be AB and base will be AC. So we know length of AB, but we don't know length of AC portion, right? So we can use trigonometry. We can use tan theta, right? If this side is known to us, and if you want to find this side, then definitely we can use trigonometry. Tan 30. Tan of 30 is 1 by root 3. So we can write tan C, right? We have studied trigonometry in 10th standard. So tan C will become AB by AC. Yes. So tan 30 will become 1 by root 3. AB is of 6 unit, and we don't know value of AC. So by putting tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3, we got length of AC portion, and length of AC portion is equal to 6 times root 3. Right? So we have to just put this value in the expression. So 1 by 2 times 6 into. So our answer will become 18 times root 3. That will be area of triangle ABC. So option E is correct for this question. Right? This question was very simple, and as we have started this topic, I have included few basic questions, and we'll be also getting advanced level questions as well. Okay. One more basic question from geometry, and that is from volume of right circular cylinder. So let us read the question first. The volume V of a right circular cylinder is pi r square h. We know this formula, but they have given the formula. Right? Pi r square h, where r is the radius of the base and h is the height of the cylinder. They are helping us by giving the formula and defining the radius and height as well. So if the volume of a right circular cylinder is 45 times pi, they have given us volume of the cylinder, and height is also given to us, right? Then what is the circumference of its base? 3, 9, 3 pi, 9 pi, and 6 pi. These are available options. So you have to just use this formula. We have to put the values. We have to find radius of the circular cylinder, and we can find circumference of the base, right? By using the formula 2 pi r. So let us put the values in the formula of volume. So volume is equals to pi r square h. V is equals to 45 times pi. H is equals to 5 unit. Okay. So from this we got R is equals to 3 unit. Right? Radius will be 3 unit. What is circumference of its base? This is this perimeter. And this length will be nothing but 2 pi r. So let's put the value of r, that will be 6 times pi, right? So for this question, option E will be correct. It's also very basic question, and within few seconds you can get answer. Verbally you can do all this stuff and get the answer, right? So let's move on the next question. This question is little bit challenging compared to earlier questions. One figure is given to us. In the figure above, if the square inscribed in the circle, there is a square inside the circle and area of square is 16, right? Then what is the area of the shaded region? We have given one shaded region, we have to find area of this region. And options are given to us in form of pi. 2 pi minus 2 pi minus 4, 4 pi minus 2, 4 pi minus 4 and 8 pi minus 4. These are our options for this question. So you can pause the video, you can think for a while and you can calculate answer for this question. First of all, you can visualize what will be our steps. Find the area of the shaded region. Square is inscribed in the circle, right? So let me help you with the solution of the following question. Square is having area of 16, right? Then what will be the side length of square? Square root of 16. Area of square is side into side, that is 16. So side length will be equal to 4 unit, right? We don't know radius of the circle. I am highlighting 3 more regions, right? Apart from this region, I'm highlighting 3 more regions. First, second, and third. Also this one. These all regions are of equal area, right? Symmetrical figure we can say. This will be center of the circle. So if you subtract the area of square from area of this circle, you subtract area of square from the area of circle, you will be getting area of this red shaded portion. And this all the portions are of equal area. So if you divide that area by 4, you will be getting area of our required portion, right? So first you have to find area of circle, subtract area of square from area of circle and then divide it by 4, right? Then we'll get our required answer. So what will be area of circle? So let me help you. We know length of one side will be 4, right? For this square, Suppose a square is equal to 16. We can apply Pythagoras theorem. Right? We can apply Pythagoras theorem. So I'm erasing all these things, or I'm writing here. Okay, I'm writing here. So this length is of 4. This length is also 4. This will be a right angle. If you draw this side, right angle triangle. So can you find length of this side, which will be a diameter of a circle? This is a diameter of a circle. So if I say this is ABC, right? I say this is ABC. Then from Pythagoras theorem we can write AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AB is equals to 4, BC is also equal to 4. Then we'll be getting AC square equal to 16 plus 16. So AC will become 4 times root 2. Right? Side length AC will become 4 times root 2, and that is equal to diameter of the circle. This is equals to diameter of the circle. Yes or no? Is nothing but diameter of the circle. So now we can find area of circle, pi by 4 d square. Right? We can find area of circle. So let us find this value. Area of circle minus area of square. Right? Yes. Don't forget to divide it by 4 to get the final answer. So what will be this area? I am writing over here. Pi by 4 d square. What will be d square? Right? You can take a square, will be 32. And we know area of square, that is 16. So it will become 8 pi minus 16. This is area of this complete shaded region. Right? First, second, third, and fourth. On diagram we can see these all are equal areas. So if you want to find this area, then it will become 8 pi minus 16 times 4 divided by 4. So 2 pi minus 4, option B is correct answer for this. Right? So this question took some extra seconds to solve to get correct answer, but it's also easy, right? It's also easy. This is your answer. Okay, all right. So let's move on to the next question, and here is your question on your screen. The radius of circle is R and the radius of circle B is 3 by 4 times of R. What is the ratio of area of circle A to area of circle B? It's a very easy question. We are given a radius of circle A and circle B, and we have to just find ratio of their areas. Right? What is area of circle? What is area of circle in terms of radius? So area of circle will become pi r square. Yes. So what will be area of? Okay, so for circle A, writing area of circle A by this sign. And for circle B, writing it small. Area of circle B. And we have to just take a ratio of both the quantities. Right? You can make first, second equation if you want, but you can do this all the stuff in your mind. So pi will be cancelled out. Pi will be cancelled out. And we'll be getting what is radius of circle A, it is R, I'm writing r square, and that is 3 by 4 times of. So r square will be cancelled out, we'll be getting 16 by 9. This ratio will be greater than 1. Right? Your answer will be greater than 1 because radius of circle A is greater than radius of circle B. Option A can't be correct answer because your answer should be greater than 1. Right? You can directly eliminate these options. In this, they haven't done square, so option C is also incorrect. 16 by 9 is correct answer for this question. Okay, so we are having one more question that is from numerical entry type question. This is from angles, right? In the beginning of the video, I had given you all the subtopics of geometry portion, and this is from angle measurement. One diagram is given to you in the figure above. If r divided by r plus s is equals to 5 by 8, then what is the value of r? We don't know value of r. One equation is given to us. Two unknowns are there, r and s, and we want to find one unknown. We'll say, sir, with one equation we cannot find value of two unknowns, right? That's why they have given one diagram. As you can see in the figure, this is a straight line and this is a bisector. These are right. Okay. What is r and s? R and s are numerical values of these angles, right? So this complete angle will be of 180 degrees, right? This complete angle will be of 180 degrees, right? We don't know individual values of r and s till now, but we can definitely write r plus s is equals to 180. Yes or no? We can definitely write this. We have to just put this value and we are going to get our answer. So r divided by, in place of r plus s I am putting 180. Okay. So we are going to get value of r, that will become 180 times 5 divided by. Simplify this and we are having our answer 112. Right? This is your value of angle r. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Do like the class, do share this video with your friends, because we are keeping GRE quant syllabus in your mind, but this video will be helpful for all the aspirants, for GATE, for IISc, for other exams in which aptitude is there in your syllabus, in campus placement, because this will give you various important examples. You will be getting your speed improved and your accuracy will also improve, right? So see you guys in our next video. In our next video, we are going to discuss some advanced third questions of geometry. Okay, so all the best for your preparation and see you in our upcoming